it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Bacardi Cocktail. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients: Bacardi Light Rum, Grenadine, sweet and sour mix, and a maraschino cherry. 4 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a martini glass, and a jigger. First step, what we're going to do is add our liquids into the shaker right here. I am going to start with the sweet and sour mix. Pour 2 ounces into the shaker. Now grab your grenadine. We'll be pouring 1/4 of an ounce into the shaker. The last liquid that we're going to put in is the Bacardi Light Rum. Pour 1 ounce into the drink. Add ice, close the lid. It's time to shake your drink. Pour your drink into the glass. The last step is to add your garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Bacardi Cocktail. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.